Welcome to the Job Package Assembly Prework course, the foundation of effective planning. Whether you're new to planning or looking to enhance your skills, this course is your stepping stone to becoming a stronger planner. Just as a child learns to crawl before walking and running, you'll master the essentials of Job Package Assembly Prework step by step. In this course, you'll learn to conduct thorough field walks, use field planning tags for various scenarios, access and evaluate historical data, interpret and mark up engineering drawings, and capture and utilize effective work scope photos. These skills are crucial for understanding approved work scopes and building executable plans. Remember, following standard work processes is the key to your success as a planner. With practice, you'll compress these steps, producing effective job packages more efficiently, without skipping any crucial elements and suffering quality failures or rework. Are you ready to lay the groundwork for planning excellence? Let's start building your pre-work skills, the foundations of every great plan.